Be very careful how you treat persons, how you sum them up. I think that's my that I say it's something that has driven me from the onset. And I've seen a lot of it in I mean keep calling my boss name, but he has really been instrumental in teaching me some values when it comes to defense work. Because a lot of times, especially when he was coming up, he had plenty years on me. But persons would say how you could represent a murderer, how you could represent this, how you could sleep at night without appreciating what happens behind the scenes, what's on paper when you actually get it, without knowing the circumstances that led to event A, B, or C. And it's something you overcome and you try to teach as well as defend. So I know you need persons who care. That it come down to care.
Yeah. And I want to thank you because what you don't realize as well is that people, it's not just something this is a judgment that's now there for Jamaica, right? So initially it may have started out as just something that is the individual. And
Yeah,
someone said that's how change comes about.
yeah,
That you focus on the individual, you care about the individual. But now we are seeing something that is helpful for us across the Caribbean. These are issues that other countries are dealing with. And